Assalamu alaikum. I'm MD Nasiruddin, an assistant teacher at Chittivandan Model Government Primary School. Welcome back with another class. Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you are all well by the grace of Allah. I think you're passing very excited moments, right? Because you're going to celebrate Eid al-Fitr. Am I right? But remember, don't go outside. Don't go into the crowded places. Don't go in the market. Why? Because to save ourselves, we should not go to there. You know, coronavirus is spread all over the world. So be careful. Choice yours, okay? Good. My dear students, now we will recite a rhyme, okay? If you want to recite with me, please stand up and follow me. Okay? Get ready. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, go to school. Okay, have a big hand. My dear students, what we discussed in the last class, we discussed about Narayanganj, right? My hometown, especially Narayanganj, right? What do we know from that lesson? We learned where the name of Narayanganj come from, the number of municipality of Narayanganj, the number of upajalas of Narayanganj, the number of unions, the number of villages of Narayanganj, right? And we also learned beautiful Narushuda river flows through the town. Alright? Our today's lesson is, we will learn some important places of Narayanganj, okay? Today we will learn some important places of Narayanganj, okay? So be careful. And listen to me, what I am saying, okay? Be attentive. In the town, we see the famous government Gurudwara College, right? And the largest Sholakia Eid ground, where people from different districts come to celebrate Eid, right? And we also see Parla Mosque in the town, okay? Out of the town, we see the historical fort of Ishaka. What do we see? The historical fort of Ishaka at Jungle Body. Okay. We also see Shah Muhammad Mosque at Igarashidar. And we also see the famous Shiva temple of Chandravati near the Fuleshwari river. Got it? Good. Very good. My dear students, now we learn 3 new words, okay? Now we learn 3 new words. Please have a look on the board. Important. Important means Guruttapurna. Important means Guruttapurna. Largest means সবথেকে বড়। largest means সবথেকে বড়। outside means বাহিরে। outside means বাহিরে। Okay, again, important means গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। important means গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। largest Largest means সব থেকে বড়। Largest means সব থেকে বড়। Outside means বাহিরে। Outside means বাহিরে। Okay, do you have any problem? No problem, right? Now my dear students, open your book at page 38. Have you opened? Very good. Now look at the second picture. What you see in the second picture? You see the picture of Shah Muhammad Mosque, right? We see the picture of Shah Muhammad Mosque, right? Yeah, but here another pictures are absent. Shah says fort of Ishaka, okay, Shiva temple of near the Fuleshwar river. These pictures are absent, but I will show it, okay? Well, here some important places are described very clearly, okay? So be careful, be attentive. I will read the passage 1 or 2 times and you just follow me. Put your finger under the line, okay? Don't talk, don't make a noise. Okay? Good. Ready? Kisharganj is a small town. Kisharganj is a ছোট্ট শহর, but there are many important places in and around it. এটার ভিতরে এবং চারিদিকে অনেক গুরুত্বপূর্ণ জায়গা রয়েছে। The largest Eid fairground, সবথেকে বড় ঈদ মেলা, called সলাইকে ঈদগাঁও, যেটাকে বলা হয় সলাইকে ঈদগাহ, and the well-known government Gurudwara college are in the town. সুপরিচিত গভর্নমেন্ট গুরুদ্বার কলেজ শহরের ভিতরে রয়েছে। People from many districts come to this place to celebrate it. বিভিন্ন জেলা থেকে লোক এখানে ঈদ উদযাপন করতে আসে। The Pagla Mosque is also in my home district. আর এই পাগলা মসজিদটাও আমার শহরের ভিতরে, আমার জেলার মধ্যে। ওকে, outside the town, শহরের বাইরে, you can visit the fort of Ishaka at জঙ্গলবাড়ি। তুমি ইশাখার দুর্গটা জঙ্গলবাড়িতে দেখে আসতে পারো, জঙ্গলবাড়িতে গিয়ে দেখে আসতে পারো। You can also see the Shah Muhammad Mosque at Ghore। তুমি শাহ মোহাম্মদ মসজিদ ইগারোশিদুরে গিয়ে দেখতে পারো। near the Fuleshwar river, ফুলেশ্বরী নদীর কাছে you can see the Shiva temple of চন্দ্রবতী। আর তুমি কি করতে পারো? ফুলেশ্বরী নদীর কাছে চন্দ্রবতী শিবা মন্দিরটা দেখতে পারো। ঠিক আছে, দেখতে পারো বা দেখতে পাবা এরকমই প্রকাশ করে। I will discuss in details, okay? Be attentive. Don't talk. Silent, please, okay? Kisharganj is a small town. Now question is, what type of town is Kisharganj? Okay? The answer is Kisharganj is a small town. But there are many important places in and around it. কিন্তু এটার মধ্যে অনেক, এটার ভিতরে এবং বাইরে, কিশোরগঞ্জের ভিতরে এবং বাইরে অনেক গুরুত্বপূর্ণ জায়গা রয়েছে। The largest Eid fairgrounds called Shalakia Eid Ground and the well-known government Gurudwara college are in the town. Very good. The question is, which important places or institutions are in the town? Which important places or institutions are in the town? The government Gurudwara college, the largest Shalakia Eidgah, and the Pagla Mosque are in the town. Okay. People from many districts come to this place to celebrate it. Now question is, who come to this place to celebrate Eid? The answer is people from many districts come to this place to celebrate Eid. Okay. Next question. Where do many people come from to this place to celebrate Eid? Where do many people come to this place to celebrate Eid? The answer is people from many districts come to this place to celebrate Eid. Okay? Another question. Where do many people come to celebrate Eid? Many people from different districts come to celebrate Eid in Kishoreganj, right? Another question. Why do people come to this place? Why do people from different districts come to this place? Okay? বিভিন্ন জেলা থেকে মানুষ কেন আসে? People from many districts or different districts come to celebrate Eid. Okay? Come to this place to celebrate Eid. Okay? Good. The Pagla Mosque is also in my home district. Very good. Outside the town, you can visit the Fort of Vishakha at Jagalwari. The question is, where is the Fort of Vishakha? Where is the Fort of Vishakha? The answer is, the Fort of Vishakha is at Jagalwari. Okay? You can also see the Shah Muhammad Mosque at Igarushidur. Another question. Where is the Shah Muhammad Mosque? Where is the Shah Muhammad Mosque? The answer is, the Shah Muhammad Mosque is at Igarushidur. The Shah Muhammad Mosque is at Igarushidur. Okay. Near the Fuleshwari River, you can see the Shiva temple of Chandravati. Now the question is, where is the temple of Chandravati? Where is the temple of Chandravati? The temple of Chandravati is near the Fuleshwari River. Okay? Very good. Do you have any question? No question? Very good. Going through the lesson, we came to know that লেসনটা পড়ে আমরা জানতে পারলাম যে there are many important places in and around in Kishoreganj. Okay? কিশোরগঞ্জের ভিতরে এবং বাইরে অনেকগুলো গুরুত্বপূর্ণ জায়গা রয়েছে। In কিশোরগঞ্জের ভিতরে we see Sholakia, the largest Sholakia Eid ground, Government Gurudayal College and Pagla Mosque. Okay? Outside the town we see the Fort of Vishakha, at Jangalwari, Shah Muhammad Mosque at Igarushidur, and Shiva temple of Chandravati near the Fuleshwari River. Okay? The Shiva temple of Chandravati near the Fuleshwari River. Good. Do you have any question? No question. My dear students, now my time is up. I have to leave now. So, before leaving the class, I would like to say you, read the pages again and again at home. Don't waste your time. Don't go outside in vain. Don't go outside. Don't go in public places. Don't go in the crowd. Don't go in the market because of coronavirus. Okay? To protect ourselves and our family, we should not go outside. Okay? Okay, I will come back again Till then, ta-ta.